Hello, today we'll do a brief feature of a cool product from Kerr. It's FixaFloss, and it's a useful tool to place and hold your dental dam. So let's say you have this situation where you have to work on several teeth and you don't want to use more than one clamp. So what do? You can use a clamp on the main tooth you're working on and do floss ligatures, or you can use this, which is pretty easy, actually easier I would say than the floss ligatures. So let's place the dental dam. So let's say we need to also work typically you'll use a spatula for this. Let's say we don't want to use one. Okay, so typically you'll have your frame holding the rubber dam in place like this. Okay, so you'll need some sort of stabilizer here in order for the dam not to break loose. You can use a ligature with normal dental floss, or you can use this cool product from Kerr, which is actually a floss with a rubber wedge on it. So how you'll use this, you place the floss between the teeth and you just pull it, and it wedges between the teeth and it keeps it very securely in place. Of course, you cut the excess. You keep just a portion so we can pull it out. So this is the FixaFloss from Kerr. It's an affordable, very useful product. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below.